I bet we live. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another weekly market setup. For this week, so we're gonna go over same pairs: AJ, NJ, EJ, UJ, EU. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Those couple pairs. Okay, those are my main pairs. So those are the pairs I'm more confident with. Okay, we'll start with AJ. So with AJ, I'm still bullish on AJ. Okay, let's get rid of the drawings real quick. I'm still bullish on AJ. Okay, so I expect at least until 88, 89 even. Okay, I expect it to hit at least 89 even. Okay, it's at 83, 83.5 right now. Okay, at this monthly resistance. Okay. So yeah, I'm waiting on a retest of 78.5. Okay, at this higher high, the previous higher high. Okay, from there, from there, I plan on catching it at 78.5 and taking it to 89.5. Okay, and then from there we'll see what happens, and we'll see if what's this 102. Okay, we'll see if it hits after that. All right, but we'll take it one target at a time. But that's a long-term play. It's not gonna happen for a little while. On the week, it looks like it could be coming down to retest. Okay, if it comes down, expect it to come down again, 78.5 around here. Okay, retest and then continue shooting. Okay. Okay, but that's also having the back of your mind that a counter trend for AUD is coming. So when you see the structure break, right? When you start seeing lower lows and lower highs, just know it's counter trend. I've been telling you about it since last couple of weeks. Okay, so just be aware that it's coming and to exactly where, so you know when to get out. Okay, so if we look right, might even be coming out. I'm gonna wait for another lower low to be formed because I'm already late. But let me label this for you guys real quick. But as you can see, my plan was to catch catch a move off of this little lower high point right here. I mean, it's not too bad. Gave us 70 pips. It's not too bad before it came down. But as you can see, the market structure is starting to fold. Okay, so possibly see AUD counter trending now to 78.5. Okay, 78.5, and so we can delete this. Okay, so long term, we're still bullish. We're still looking to buy long term. A short term, a short term. Okay, right? Because the previous high low is broken, retested. Right, we're seeing lower lows, lower highs right now. So counter trend could possibly be coming very, very soon within this month. Okay, but just to be, safe, on the safer side, this is the previous high or low. So on a daily time frame, okay, daily time frame, I just want you guys to be, aware that down here at 82 even is the previous higher low. Okay, on the day time frame. Okay, obviously on what was it, the 4 hour, our higher low is up here. Okay, this is the day, our higher low is down here. Okay, so I expect to take this down, but I would take profit, right? If you guys ended up catching this move, I'd take profit at 82 even. Okay, and then once it breaks 82 even, right, and retests, then you can enter back in. But just to be on the safe side, because it could come down here and then shoot back up. So just to be on the safe side, take some partial profit, and then from there, just let it rock. But I would definitely take partials at 82 even and take partials at 81 even. Okay. Okay, so for AJ, we're looking for the counter trend so we can enter. But all right, if we don't get it, that's cool. The higher high is up top. Okay, so we have one or two options. Either this downtrend is going to continue, this counter trend, and we're gonna get in at the retest of a lower low, or this is gonna come back up and blow past the high, and we'll catch it at the retest of the higher high. Okay, so either way, it's just a waiting game, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's just wait it out and be patient, and it'll pay out. Okay, so that's AJ. Okay, NJ. Okay, NJ, same thing. Okay, as you see, it failed. Right, we had our goal was to catch it right here at 78 even, but it only gave us 20 pips before crumbling down. Okay, NJ, perfect example. It's gone. it's gone. Catch it at the retest for. Let me see where exactly it's going to. Okay, NJ is coming down to retest. Okay, it looks exactly like AJ. Okay, pretty much the same exact things, just two different pairs. Okay, so 73.5. I expect it to come down to retest even. Okay, don't be surprised if it goes down to 72 even to retest this previous lower high right here. Okay, so NJ as well, I'm looking for that counter trend. Okay, so for NJ, play, you know what I'm saying? The high low is already broken, right? Just just waiting for it to come back up. 75 or 77 even. Anywhere, somewhere in between there, in that 50 pip range. That's where we're gonna look to actually sell and go to somewhere in the 77s to 73. Okay, we have a couple hundred pip play right now. Okay, so when it comes up here, I'm looking for it to do the same thing it did here, right? Consolidate a little bit, get multiple touches, and on the third touch, that's when I'm gonna get in. Okay, on the third touch is getting. Okay, but just be very courteous of counter trend in 3-5. You could look for this to start trending. Just be very mindful of that. My phone, my screen just stop sharing. Okay. give me 1 second. I'll fix this. There we go. Okay, so as you see, weekly consolidates too. Okay, weekly consolidates too, and these are weekly candles. So this little consolidation range right here was 140 days. Okay, so I can't tell you how long it's going to take to play around in this area before it takes off, but I'm just going to tell you it is going to do it. Okay, I can't tell you what time, can't tell you how long, none of that, but I'm gonna let you know it's going to happen. All right, just be ready for it. Okay, so NJ, same shit. We're looking for a retest. This previous move right here that we were intending last week. Okay, it didn't happen. Okay, took a L. I mean, not really a L. Broke even, but get the point. Okay, so NJ for this week and even next week, looking for. Okay, I'm looking for this. So this definitely around today or tomorrow, bare minimum, before this move starts happening. Either tonight, London session, or tomorrow, Tokyo session. All right, either one of those two sessions, it will start moving. I'm leaning more toward London, New York session, but it could take off in Tokyo as well. Okay, so for NJ, we're just waiting for the counter trend, and then we're solid. Okay. Okay, EJ. As soon as it slows, long term, I'm pretty sure I'm bullish. Yep, bullish on EJ. Okay, long term as well. We're waiting for a retest on EJ. As you see, I have my little path tool marking that up all the way till 127 even. Okay, so I'm trying to take this to 131.5, 131.5, which is up here. Okay, looks like a really, really good retest spot. What's this, 127 even, right? Yep, 127 support. It was once resistance. All right, has multiple touches on this level, so it's a really good support line. As soon as this comes down, I plan on taking this to either 31.5. If 31.5 is hit before retesting, then I'm going to 33 even. Okay, I'm gonna go to the very top of the structure. If 31.5 is hit before retesting. If not, upon retest, I'm going to 31.5, 131.5. Okay, up here. Okay, but that's long term. Short term, this was a play from last week. Okay, we were able to catch 100, 137, and we planned multiple entries. Right here, the second entry got in on a wick. Okay, gave us another 120. Okay, so if you followed this from last week, some decent pips there. It didn't hit take profit, but it is what it is for me. Not every trade is gonna hit TP. So I'm cool on that. Still got 100 plus pips. Okay, on multiple entries. So if you took the trade, it's a dub. Okay, enjoy the dub. If you didn't, there's always next time. All right, don't ever chase a trade. Do good. There's always next time. Okay, so EJ, one or two things. First, let me check the monthly. So again, a counter trend could be coming. All right, there's gonna be a lot of counter trends this month and next month. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of counter trends. So just be ready for it. Okay, just be ready for it. So EJ, Okay, if I needed to if you want to sell, if you're a bear, you want to sell, uh, wait for EJ to break what's 129 even. Okay, wait for it to break 129 even and come back and retest, and then you're golden. Okay, that's where we're gonna sell at. So I'm looking to sell at the retest of at 129 even. Okay, so not right now. I need to break and then come back up for a retest in order to sell this. Okay, but again, this could continue, right? This could continue going up. So we all obviously know we need a new higher high to be formed if we're going to continue the uptrend. So in order to buy this, we're going to wait for right for this action. Okay, and at the retest is where we're going to buy. Okay, so we're just again, so waiting game. You know what I'm saying? It's what Forex is. So this, if by any chance this action happens here where price comes back up, right? It's gonna take probably the whole week to happen, to be honest. Okay. Hopefully, I kind of hope that the counter trend comes, sooner rather than later, because I'd rather get into the trade. But hopefully, yeah, hopefully the counter trend comes. So this move could happen either tonight or tomorrow. Okay, and this move probably by the end of the week if it's gonna happen. Okay, so now we have option A and B on EJ. Okay, we either looking to sell at the break and retest of 129 even, or we're looking to buy at the break and retest of 130 even. Okay, so again, just the waiting game, right? Just make sure you guys set an alert. Okay, if you don't know how to set an alert, it's at the very top of your trading view page. Okay, create an alert. And just so that when prices hit, you can be, be alert, be at your screen so you can make some money. Okay, UJ. Okay, so UJ, this was the plan for last week. Okay, we got in on a wick. It's crazy. It lined up perfect where I put the little arrow. All right, we got up 50 pips in profit. I couldn't break this higher high. As you can see, it's struggling to break this higher high. Okay, so let's see what's happening on the weekly and monthly. Let's see what's happening long term. All right, see, as you can see, long term, looking for a retest of 105.5. Okay, the mid level 105.5. Okay, I'm looking for a retest. Let me see on the daily if you can see it better. So yeah, on the daily you can see it better. It's looking more like 106 even. Okay, instead of 105.5. So again, it's between this 50 pip range of 105 and 106. Okay, it might wick it barely, slightly, but I'm pretty. It's gonna close above 106 even. Okay, but yep, looking for a counter trend. Okay, to 106 even. It's currently at 108.6. Okay, so that's about 260 pips, 260 pip play. Okay. So again, I'm gonna delete this. All right, so in order to sell, I'm waiting for 1241. I'm waiting for a retest of this area right here. Okay. So currently, right now, it's failing to push past the low. failing to make new lower lows, but it's also failing to make new high highs. Right now, it's just consolidating. Okay, but the market consolidates when it's getting ready to make a move. So no worries for me. It's gonna happen. So we're either gonna catch the sell to the counter trend, or we're gonna wait for the higher high to be broken and retested. Okay, either one. Okay, just read and react. Whatever the market wants to do, you just read and react. Okay, if the market wants to go down, we got to plan for the stuff. If the market wants to go up, we got to plan for a buy. Just be ready for anything and everything to happen. Okay, so we're just waiting on the break and retest. Okay, and lastly, Euro U. Okay, so long term, Euro U, I am bullish. Long term. Okay. Let me show you why on the weekly. Okay. So Euro U, long term, I am bullish long term. Okay, in order to sell, I'm looking for the weekly higher low to be broken and retested. Okay. If it does get broken and retested, so if this happens and we enter in at 161 even around there. Okay, if that happens, I plan on taking it down to, what price is this? Down to 107, 107.5. Now 107.7 even. Okay, so 107.7 even to the bottom of this structure on the weekly time frame. Okay, so if everything works out according to plan, we're looking at 800 pips. Okay, but again, this is weekly, so it's going to take a long time. Okay. We're still, because right now Euro U is retesting the previous higher high. Okay, and we all know, because it's going to consolidate a little bit, do its thing. Okay, so it's going to take a little while. Okay, so this sell move, this won't happen for a couple months, a month or two. So summertime, maybe end of summertime, if this was to happen. Okay, if for a buy, okay, short term. So long term, we're looking to buy. Okay, we have our long term sell plan and our long term buy plan. Right now, it is on our long term buy plan. Okay, but we know, right? We have, so right now it's really going right. This downtrend holding strong. So our options for for all those bows is either double bottom and take off, or damn, I drew this a while ago. But either double bottom, so it'll be down here. Okay, double bottom, either take off. You can take your chance. Test. We will sell to the the weekly higher low. Okay, so either one could happen right now. Okay, because if you look on the weekly, okay, if you look on the weekly, we are at a point of resistance. Okay, we have what was support over here. Okay, and this wasn't no baby support. You know what I'm saying? This is 3,000 pips. The support line gave you 3,000 pips at one point in time. Okay, so this could possibly right? Possibly sell from here. Okay, we are at a monthly resistance, so it could possibly sell from here. But we know, right? You just got to be patient so we can get a good spot. Okay, so for Euro U, again, we're long term. I'm still bullish. Okay, even though price is coming down and it's looking like it could come all the way down, maybe it might look promising, but until structure is broken, still bearish. Okay, until structure is broken, nothing's gonna change my mind. So until a new lower low is formed, it's not gonna change my mind. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. That's just the waiting game. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys today. Those pairs, if you guys have any questions, hit me up on the RH Made app, or anybody with a green check mark. They can assist you in any way you need. If you have any questions about the community, you can contact me or the team on Instagram. All our Instagrams are linked down below. All right, if you have any questions, you can comment on our YouTube channel. Doesn't matter. We do read comments. We do go back and read everything that we missed. If you have any pairs that you would like to review or anything like that, you can just contact me and I'll make it happen. All right. Catch you guys in the next weekly setup video. Tomorrow is going to be a training, a live stream training. Thursday is going to be a recap. Okay, Friday is going to be a market recap with Juvie. Okay, so we're going to go over all the plays that we both sent out. Okay, so if you're interested in that, tune in on Friday. It's going to probably be in the afternoon. Okay, my live streams tomorrow and Thursday are all going to be in the morning around 11 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so if you can make it, come with questions and all that good stuff. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.